Need me to take my helmet off?
Nah, mate, you're right. I'm sure we can hear you there.
Righto.
So, how'd you go in qualifying?
Not too bad. Sort of only got one flying lap in before the session got declared. Qualified 6th. Felt like I had a bit more in the tank, but yeah, what can you do?
Yeah, mate, when you only get one flying lap, you don't get much of a chance, do you?
No, not really.
So, what's the plan for today, mate? Get out the front and stay there?
Yeah, pretty much. Just try and keep it clean.
Yep.
Be consistent.
How long have you been racing in the Excels for?
This has been 4th year.
4th year, eh? How have you been faring in the last few championships?
Not too bad. I think I finished 5th in last year's Sweden championship.
5th in last year's championship?
Yeah.
Yep.
Won the Enduro championship.
Okay.
And then the year before that, I think I finished 4th in the championship.
4th in the year before that, yeah? Mate, that's pretty good.
Yeah, not too bad. Sort of consistently up the front, which is good. Yeah.
Punching up the pointy end.
Yeah.
That's what you want.
Yep.
So, well, mate, good luck in your race, eh?
Yeah, thank you.
No troubles at all. Thanks, Preston. How you going? We've got Preston Breust.
Good, thanks.
How you going, mate?
Yeah, not too bad.
How'd you go in that last race?
Yeah, pretty good. Had quite a good start, but couldn't hold the positions that I gained, and eventually slipped back to 7th.
Yep.
So yeah, we dropped one spot overall, but yeah, held off a pretty big attack, so I wasn't too disappointed.
Yeah. So, what sort of background have you got in racing, Chris?
So I started way back in Speedway motorbikes.
Yep.
And then I raced karts for 5 years.
Yep.
And yeah, 4th year at XLs.
Speedway motorbikes, that'd be pretty hair raising.
Yeah, that's the thing. I was only in that for a short amount of time. Just found it wasn't for me, and moved from 4 wheels, moved to 4 wheels. So yeah, enjoyed karts a lot more and had a lot more success. So yeah.
Yeah, you were saying that saying to me earlier on that you've been fairly successful in the category.
Yeah, I haven't been going too bad in New South Wales. In my early XL days, I also raced in Victoria as well, as I was too young to compete in New South Wales.
Okay,
Rules. And yeah, racing in Victoria is a lot harder, a lot more competitive. But
a lot closer racing?
Yes, and just a higher calibre really.
Yep.
But yeah, no, I've enjoyed racing in New South Wales, made some good mates and had some pretty good success, so yeah, I'm pretty happy, yeah.
So what's on the cards for you in the future, mate? What sort of categories do you want to try and race in?
I'd probably like to stay in sort of tin top production cars, sort of. I'm not a massive fan of the open wheeler idea. Okay. But yeah, pretty, like 86s or some sort of production car racing, yeah, that's where I would like to go, yeah.
86s, that's another good control category where there's nice close racing and the driver really excels.
Yeah, I really like the idea of the one-mate categories because it just keeps the racing a lot closer than like different engines and classes in the category. You sort of feel like you're running around on your own a bit.
Yeah, you see that in the improved production class.
Yeah.
You see big patches and stuff like this.
Yep.
But in the Excels, you tend to see fairly tight bunches, and if they do separate into packs, there's still 3 or 4 in that pack.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So what do you do any work on the car yourself? I noticed you're in there working with your dad earlier.
Yeah, me and Dad do all the work on it apart from the engine work. But yeah, we do all our own mechanicking and wheel alignments and stuff like that.
So do you have much of a trip to get to Sydney Motorsport Park? Or?
It's about 5.5 hours to Sydney and about 3.5 to Wakefield.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you must live sort of down closer to the border.
Yeah, we're at Temora, which is near Wagga Wagga.
Yeah, that's a hell of a drive for you.
Yeah.
Because these are long days, even for the blokes that are close to Sydney.
Yep.
For you to drive 5 hours and race and then drive 5 hours back.
Yeah. I've got a pit crew and race transporter over there. He drives all night. And, he gets me to the races. I'm very thankful.
Yeah, no, parents play a big part in your racing, don't they?
Yeah, yep.
So, but I noticed you got that great big wing on the back.
Yes.
You're one of the only racers that does.
Yes.
Do you find it gives you that a little bit of extra downforce, or?
Not really. I'm pretty sure it's just there for looks.
Yeah.
Some people say it would have to have helped, but I can't notice a difference anyway. I've raced without one. My old car didn't have one.
Yep.
And can't feel that much of a difference really.
Yeah. Did you get to the Bathurst round?
I did, yeah.
How'd you go out there?
Yeah, not too bad actually. We were top 20 the whole time, and I think the last race I finished 12th. I think. So yeah, we were pretty happy with that. Really, like the competition that was there was super tough.
Yeah.
Some great cars, great drivers. So yeah, we were very happy to finish within the top 15. Yeah.
Out of 55 cars,
Yes.
finish in the top 15. That's a really big effort.
Yeah. Well, we did not go home disappointed at all. Yes, it would have been nice to have got on the podium or something. But
Your car's all in one piece, so
yes, exactly. There was a lot of carnage. Yeah.
that's a big success.
Yes.
How did you find when you were around all the accidents? Did you sort of any close calls or anything?
Yeah. I was in one big close call in the last race that got red flagged after one lap or something. I narrowly missed both of them incidents.
Yep.
But the other times I was never near the incidents, which was always good. But it was a bit disappointing that we lost a lot of track time. But Bathurst bites hard when it does bite. Yeah.
Bathurst is like that. You never know if you're going to get a good race or not.
Yep.
And one incident there's no runoff. There's no.
No, exactly. Straight into the wall.
Like that bloke that ran off in the last race down at corner 1.
Yep.
If you did that at Bathurst, you'd be off to hospital.
Yep.
Yeah. So.
Yeah.
Well, I guess we'll see you out on track, mate.
Righto. Thank you.
No problem. Thanks, Preston.
No worries.